Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 and let me show you how to record screen on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the upper bar here twice and let's tap screen recorder. Here we've got some instructions. Let me tap enable microphone and storage, tap OK to the following features. And as you can see, here you've got a quick instructions. You can start and stop recording by knocking by 2 fingers. Let's tap start recording here, and here your recording is starting. So now you can just record your screen. Here you can stop it or you can knock twice. That's it. If you knock twice, record is saved in your gallery. So now you can choose gallery, choose albums, select here the videos, and now you can watch your videos and share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.